Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are safe and keeping well. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you all a new build property which is Marlow from Redrow. This is a 4-bedroom detached property. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end, you'll like it. This is another beautiful property which can easily fit into your budget. You have spacious living and dining rooms and also beautiful garden. The location details are shared in here. For further contact and booking details, do check the description box. Now going with the floor plans. In the ground floor, you have a living room, dining with kitchen, utility, toilet and also a garage. In the first floor, we have 4 different bedrooms with one ensuite in the master bedroom and a common bathroom. Now as you enter the house, there is a small hall in the front wherein the partitions are made towards the living and also the dining rooms. The front door is simple and big in size. The alarms also are set in here. The viewpoint from the hall is you have the staircase in front, the kitchen and dining and the living room towards the left. So we'll begin with the living room. The living room is bright, beautiful and spacious. 2 to 3 sofa sets can fit in easily. You can also have your TV set and other cupboards, and there's plenty of space to walk around. The wall facing towards the front is almost filled completely with the windows. So it's a beautiful view and you have plenty of daylight inside. The ventilation also is perfect. The architecture and design of this house are made in such a way to maximize the space because we all love these spacious rooms. This was all about the living room. Now moving towards the kitchen and dining spaces. This is just behind the living room. You have the kitchen and dining access together in this particular model. It's a very big modular kitchen with dining, and the access to the garden with the French doors makes it look more beautiful. For small families, these kind of kitchens will be very ideal, and especially if you have kids and if you want to look into their studies while you're cooking, then this will be the perfect space. The kitchen is very spacious and there's plenty of space to walk around. Now in this Redrow properties, the speciality is, this particular area in this kitchen, the shelf, which includes the microwave, oven and the refrigerator. This is all inbuilt and it comes with the property. The same price which you're buying, all these things are included. Very modernized shelf designed in a way to maximize the space, so all these utensils and stuff can go inside. It's very beautiful design. I really liked it a lot. You also have plenty of storage cupboards at the bottom and few on the top. They also provide you with a gas hob and also an exhaust. Overall, it's a very beautiful modernized kitchen which is very spacious with the dining space and all the extra fittings done. This is all about the kitchen and the dining spaces. Now moving towards the utility room. Now as you enter the utility room, towards your right there is a small storage room. This is the space underneath the staircase which is converted into a small storeroom. You have a door and a lock provided to it. The utility room has a decent space. A washing machine and a dryer can fit in easily. They are also provided with a wash basin, and you have a window through which bright daylight and proper ventilation is given. You also have a garden access from this utility room, which I'll be showing later. Now from this utility room we have an access to the toilet in the ground floor. This is a small toilet with a closet, wash basin and also a window is provided here. This is the other door from the utility room which has the garden access. But for now we'll use the kitchen doors to access garden. These French doors are beautifully designed to give plenty of daylight and ventilation to the kitchen and dining spaces. You have a small and beautiful garden at the back. You need this kind of garden spaces behind your house to relax with your family and friends, and kids also need to spend some time outside in the open air. This small wooden sit-out is not an inbuilt for all the properties. This is an extra fitting only for this particular property. If you want to go for these kind of extra fittings, you can. Also, if you have pets, there is enough space in the garden to plan a pet house. Overall, it's a beautiful garden space. I really liked it a lot. And this is the entire view of the house from the back side. You also have a garden gate here wherein you can move your bins in and out. If you're living in flats and apartments or in congested cities, you'll definitely love these kind of properties. This is all about the ground floor. Now slowly we'll move towards the first floor. Now in the first floor we have 4 different bedrooms with ensuite facilities in the master bedroom and a common bathroom. So first we'll explore the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom of the house, which is spacious, comfortable and is provided with ensuite facilities. Even after having a double cot, few cupboards and a dressing table, there is plenty of space to walk around. You have inbuilt cupboards here. For a change, the doors are not glass. Very spacious cupboards wherein a lot of storage can easily fit in. In most of the bedrooms where you have these attached bath, you normally find it straight to the beds, but this one, it's particularly designed in a way like the hotel suites, wherein you have the bathroom at the other side. It's a very decent bathroom with enough space, wherein you have the Ensuite facilities. I really like the space also inside the bathroom. It was very good. Overall, it's a decent bathroom with all the modern fittings. You have the wash basin, closet, and there is also a window for daylight and ventilation. This is all about the master bedroom. Now moving towards the other rooms. Just beside the master bedroom, you have the common bathroom. This common bathroom is slightly bigger. You have a bathtub, closet, and also a wash basin. Now moving towards the second bedroom of the house. So before going to the second bedroom, in between you have a small room with a door and lock. Inside the small room, the boiler is fitted in. This is the second bedroom of the house. It's slightly smaller than the master bedroom. A double cot can fit in easily with a cupboard and also a table. And you have enough space to walk around. You can use it as a guest room or one of your kids' rooms. The architecture and the roofing designs of this particular property are in a different way, wherein you get some extra space for these kind of rooms. Otherwise, if you compare these kind of small rooms with the other buildings, they are very small. But here you get a little bit extra space. Windows are small and cute. You still get the bright daylight and ventilation. In this particular room, you don't have inbuilt cupboards, but the space to fit in a cupboard is provided. This is all about the second bedroom. Now moving towards the third bedroom of the house. Third and fourth bedrooms are on the other side. Now this third bedroom has got a decent space. A cot and a table fit in easily. You also have inbuilt cupboards in this particular room. Compared to the master bedroom, the size is smaller, but still you have enough space to walk around. These are the inbuilt cupboards in this particular room. The size and everything is similar to the ones which are provided in the master bedroom. Overall, a small and sweet room with enough space, which you can use it as a guest room or one of your kids' rooms. The windows are slightly bigger than the other small room, and you have your garden view from here. This is all about the third bedroom of the house. Now moving towards the fourth bedroom. Fourth bedroom is again a small and sweet one. A cot and a table fit in easily, and you have enough space to walk around. If it's a small family, you can convert one of these small rooms as a study or computer rooms. You can also use them as storage rooms. This is all about the upstairs. We covered all the 4 bedrooms, the master bedroom with ensuite facilities, the common bathroom and everything. Now here in this upstairs, as we climb up the stairs, I like this particular area wherein this window is placed facing the staircase. You get the bright daylight and ventilation. Especially when you climb these stairs, it's always good if you have the natural light falling in. Now exploring the front portion of the house. In front of your house you have a decent space wherein you can plan your garden or you can convert it into your parking space. You also have a garage at your right side. This is the Marlow show home from the Redrow properties. If you want to contact them for any further details, all the details are given in the description box. So this is your space in front of the house. It's very beautiful and decent. This is all about today's property. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you'll be notified whenever I upload my new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in another vlog.